Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to promote Fiverr affiliate links on Twitter or X. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. As you can see right now, we are on the main page of the Fiverr affiliatesapp.com. If you want to reach this, you're going to go to this link, affiliates.fiverr.com, or alternatively scroll down and you'll see it right there. Once you do that, you can click on start earning right now to create your account, and here it gives you all the information that you need. Once you do that, you can go to the commission plan and it tells you from 15 to 150 CPA. That's how much they will pay you depending on the plan that a buyer will buy when you promote the Fiverr affiliate link program. Now here you can click here and go to marketing tools and default and deep links. You can see Fiverr CPA, Fiverr hybrid, Fiverr business, all those things. And here it will tell you how much people will pay you or how much Fiverr will pay you once they click on whatever affiliate that they might want. So we can copy the link right here and paste it, and it will show us to right here, which will show us, depending on the category, all the services that it provides. Website and design, same thing. Now, if you want to promote a specific landing page, you can go here and then copy the link. Once you do that, you go right here, and then on the right, you can see LP URL, which is the landing page URL. Paste that and click paste and continue, and there you go. Now it's connected. Same thing if you want to promote a specific service or a landing page, you can just go ahead, copy there, and then go here, paste it, enter, and you're done. That's all you need to know. Now you can simply copy the link from here and put it on X. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.